In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easily and fast using the T84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so the question says the ratio of boys to girls in a kindergarten class is 4 to 5. If there are 18 students in the class, how many are boys? Now guys, this question is straightforward. You don't need to store any value in the calculator and you don't need to use the calculator to do it. So firstly, you need to add 4 and 5 to get the sum of the ratios, which will give us 9 when you add. If there are 18 students in the class, how many are boys? To get the number of boys in the class out of 18 students will not be, we do, let's make use of this fraction button, alpha window. So fraction is here, so you press 1. So the ratio of boys is 4 over 9, 9 being the sum of the ratios between the boys and the girls. Alright, then times the number of students in the class. Number of students in the class is 18. Alright, so that's it guys. This is 18 over 1. We're good to go. So let's press enter now to see the output, and that will give you how many boys in the class. 8. Alright, 8 boys. So the correct option here is what? Option G. Alright, so it's as simple as this. Since we have 8 boys in the class, and even we ask how many girls in the class as well, all you have to do is to subtract 8 from 18 and you get the output, which will give you 10. Or you can just do, let's remove this. Okay, alpha window, fraction, and 1. This time around, the ratio of girls is 5 over 9. Alright, come here times 18. You will still get 10 as the output. Either way we work, 10. Okay, so it's as simple as this. This is how you can solve this question easily and fast. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video guys. If you are new to the channel, ensure that you subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of my videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I will sure to give you a response. Alright, now click on the end screen above and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Let's remove this.